both women are winning. I'm loving the competition with the marketing. As promised, I am back to give you an update on my Fenty Hair progression part 2. So remember the last video where I showed you my hair and it was flaky and it just was dry because I had applied the Fenty HomeCurl along with the jelly type, which will be their strong holding gel together. Now, just to give you a heads up, as I mentioned in my last video, each and every single Fenty product has a QR code that links to the website and tell you exactly how to use the product. But I went off of a whim of what I had success in previously when it comes to my natural hair and applying a cream product and then applying a gel on top of it. It's usually worked, but for whatever reason, these two formulas clashed. So I decided to wash my hair out, cleanse it completely, and apply the HomeCurl curling cream. So let me give you guys a up close and personal look of what my hair strands look like. So personally for me, I don't prefer the soft curl look, especially in this humidity. I prefer a more tightly held look as far as my curls. Now, prior to Cécred and Fenty Hair, my wash and go regimen as far as styling would usually consist of my Mielle Organics Honey Pomegranate leave-in conditioner, my Uncle Funky's Daughter's curly gel, and then I would apply my EcoStyler 10X olive oil line. Now I know that sounds like a lot of products, but I believe what makes wash day successful for me with those products is that I have a priming moisturizer that does not leave any residue, that's light enough to hold on to my hair. And then the jelly from Uncle Funky's Daughter kind of works like the HomeCurl. And then the EcoStyler gel, the 10X olive oil version. I'm gonna keep on shouting this one out because, as I mentioned, even with Fenty Hair, they did not match the curl level and hold that I was hoping for in Fenty Hair. But this is an opportunity for Fenty to get it right and go back to the drawing board, because that's what they do. They solve problems, and I believe in them. So after that, layering it with that 10X EcoStyler gel, it provides me with a shine and bounce. Now here we have some bounce, but as you can see in the strands, in the front right here particularly, I have a little bit of heat damage and my curls are reverting, but with my EcoStyler gel, it holds it in a way that you can't tell that this part of my hair isn't defined and curly. So like I said, it's a soft curl. I got a lot of compliments today from work. It did take some time to dry. It did take some time, especially in this humidity. So I took an Uber just to get to work, just so I didn't have to deal with the humidity, so that I will be able to show you guys how it works if in a controlled temperature environment. Now in humidity, more than likely it will frizz up, just because this is more for, like I said, and I said the same thing with Cécred, so I don't want anybody to feel like I'm playing favorites here. So far, the girls have developed styling that works up to 3C hair textures. What makes us 4 type ladies so dynamic and unique is that even with different curl, our porosity levels, how much damage we've had in the past with our hair, how we treat our hair, it's not easy for a one-size-fit-all collection to really help individually with what our hair needs. While both products did well for my hair, I am expecting more. I'm waiting for that product to say this is the wash and go styling product, and I have faith in both ladies. As I mentioned, like Mielle Organics has been it for me from day one for a very long time, and for me, I've just been looking for a complimentary higher end brand that is going to work with my hair. I would say Rihanna's line took it a little step further, not just the prepping part, but also the styling. However, I think she has to improve the styling products that she has introduced. I was very optimistic about the jelly type curl cream. It just doesn't go tight enough for my hair, and for some people my hair might be a little bit on the looser side for type 4. But even with my hair, as it's gotten denser, thanks to Cécred and also my home regimen, as far as like my hair care routine, like it needs to go tighter. Ladies, the ball is in your court. Stick with the brand that works for you and your hair styling goals if you're looking for a brand that styles your hair. If you're looking for a brand that treats your hair, then go with that. If you're looking for something that is complementary to the things that you already use, then go for that. I think it's disingenuous to say that one brand was better than the other or checked off all the boxes than the other. However, if I were to give it a rating system, I would put Cécred at an 8 out of 10, and I would put Fenty at a 7 out of 10. Just because just within 3 months, I've seen hair growth from the time that I started using Cécred, in addition to what I was already doing. And I'm hoping to see the same thing with Rihanna, if not better. So in my eyes, both women are winning. I'm loving the competition with the marketing. I'm a marketing geek, and I am loving how hard both women have been pushing. Rihanna, of course, for the longest, but I'm so excited. I'm rooting for Beyonce as well, because I feel like a lot of people felt like she didn't have skin in the game coming into the space, and she's proven herself worthy, and I hope that Rihanna gets it right with these styling products, because the treatment line is fine with me on both sides. Okay, my hair smells good, my hair feels good, I've gotten a lot of compliments, and I've seen results. Like that comeback kit is the truth. That clarifying shampoo from Cécred is the truth. That oil is the truth from Cécred. But anywho, I'm gonna leave you all to it. Don't mind my makeup. It has oxidized, it's sweating, and I promise you my foundation matches my skin much better. I'm just under exposed light, so it looks lighter than usual. But anywho, thank you all so much for stopping by today, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you show love to my unboxing video for all my hair videos. I noticed that my numbers have gone down. I don't know if it's because I left the algorithm, or I just don't know what you, my subscribers, want, but I need the visibility. I have 150 videos here. I've been on YouTube for over 15 years. I need those subscribers to go up, and I need the engagement to go up, but I don't know how to put things out there if I don't receive something from you as far as like feedback. Your numbers matter. Bye.